Deborah Borchardt, and this is your Marijuana Money Minute. Marijuana Money wants to thank its new sponsor, CBD Living Water. CBD Living Water is going to be a great relief today because it's another hot, steamy day here in New York City. The big news this week was, of course, Acreage Holdings. The company announced that it raised $119 million. That's the largest for any U.S. cannabis company. They're in 13 states, soon to be 15 states, and this money puts them in a really solid position to go public, which they plan to do on the Canadian Stock Exchange sometime this fall. The Cato Institute released a report that said that if the government legalized drugs, it would save billions of dollars in drug enforcement and also make billions of dollars in tax revenues. Emblem ended up buying Natura Naturals. If you recall last week, Emblem announced that it was making a $3 million investment in the company. Well, they decided to buy the whole enchilada in a deal valued at $76 million. We also saw that MariMed purchased a company called iRoli for about $600,000. And then MedMen made a strategic investment into Lowell Herb Company. You may know them. They do the marijuana cannabis crowns for festivals and also a lot of seasonal pre-rolls. And also they're getting a lot of celebrity endorsements. CV Sciences released unaudited results for their second quarter. In the Q2, they announced that they had $12.3 million in revenues. This was a 203% increase over last year for the same time period and a 53% increase sequentially. Bespoke Extracts uplisted on the OTC marketplace to the venture marketplace. And then Pot Networks have filed a Form 10 in order to become a fully reporting SEC company. They had to pull that Form 10 because their accounting firm lost its certification. Well, they got a new accounting firm, and so the plan is back on, and they are now back to applying to become a fully reporting SEC company. And that's it for this week. I'm Deborah Borchardt reporting for the Green Market Report from Times Square. Everyone, have a great weekend.